Hello everyone, welcome back to 3 Minutes of Pandas Daily. In today's episode, we will explore the fascinating world of data cleaning and pre-processing using the Pandas library. We will show you how to handle missing values and perform data type conversion. So let's dive right in. Example 1, handling missing values. So if you can see here, before that, first let's address missing values in our data set. Missing data can be quite common in real world scenario. So we will use pandas to replace those gaps with meaningful information. So if you can see into this dictionary, we have some missing values in age. So in order to fill this missing value in age, we will use the average age to fill these gaps. So for this one, we will use df age. We will take the column and then we will use the function called fill_na, which will fill the gap of these age column with the mean value, and then we are trying to we are mentioning in place equals to true, which means this will change the data frame which we have created here. So if I will run this here and if I will run data frame, so if you can see here in age we have this two value which are not have the value. So once I will use this code which is fill_na, and if I will run the df, so if you can see here, this has filled the values with an average age. Now let's take another example for income. For income, we have take the median income, and then we are filling the income value. So if you can see here in this income column, we have one nan row or a cell which you can say which is equals to null. So in order to fill this, I will use the fill_na function again, and then I'll use the function called median and in place equals to true. So if I will run this df, this will also replace the none value. So this is regarding the handling missing values. In order to convert the data type conversion, we can use as type function. For example, in this income we have this float. In order to convert this float into integer, we will use as type, and we will pass the argument as int, and if I will run this code, we will have the output and we will have the income as an integer. So I hope you like this video. We will meet you in next video. Please like and share this video. We will meet you in next video. Thank you.